Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday, the 14th of May. Looking at cable, which is a real pressure point, isn't it, for the markets? I think at the moment what we see is sterling under pressure, falling away against the dollar in the last few sessions. Look at these these negative candles that we've got developed, and what you see in each of these candles is a bull failure. An initial run higher and then closing towards the lows of the day, certainly in the last two sessions anyway, and that's a real concern for momentum wise anyway, and certainly given the fact that markets are falling away on these momentum indicators now at multi-week lows. RSI 40, it hasn't been there since late March. MACD lines, traction below neutral, stochastics falling into bear territory. So this run of negative candles that you've seen in the past week and a half, coming up 2 weeks, has formed this downtrend, and I think that what you'd be saying is anything within that downtrend is now a selling opportunity really. 23.65 is the top of that downtrend today, but certainly given the fact that we've fallen below 22.45, that is a real problem I think for any prospective recovery. That becomes overhead supply. 22.65 was an old low as well, so it's a little band of resistance there. And I think ultimately little technical rallies on an intraday basis are going to be seen as a selling opportunity, because it looks as though the momentum indicators are positioning for a test of this 21.60 key April low, really important low, because if that is broken, well, that really does open the corrective move to the downside. Then you could argue this is a big top pattern. Probably go for the double top element of this, projected downwards by about 400 pips actually, so it gives you sort of in the mid 118s area for a potential downside target. You can see here on the hourly chart, lower highs, lower lows, old support becoming new resistance. 22.45 resistance today, 22.65 old support as well. I mean, you wouldn't really get especially happy or interested really in a recovery until you breached certainly 23.40, but essentially up towards 24 figure, which is an old pivot band in this in cable. So it really does look as though that the market is under pressure now. Really, the bulls have got their work cut out to save this one, I think, at the moment. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and also click to watch our Trader Talks videos where you can gain some top trading ideas.